Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore default 3D settings on NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. To do it, go to the NVIDIA control panel. To do so, you need to right click on the desktop, then click on NVIDIA control panel. Then you should be able to find Manage 3D settings. And now you can restore them either for global settings by clicking on Restore. Then I'm gonna click on Yes, and it should be restored in a moment. Then after restoring, remember to apply it, because restoring defaults is a change itself, so you need to apply that. But before that, let me show you can also do that for the program settings. So you can select the program that you want to restore to default settings, then click on Restore and Yes. Then I'm gonna click on Apply. And it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.